Hi, Philip Dahlheimer here at the PinkSlipMixer for 2010. We're at the Aurora Lounge inside LUXOR. And I'm here with Mark. Tell me about yourself.
Hey, Phil. Great to be here. My
Thank
name's
you.
Mark Stieneker, and I work in the captive automotive or financial services industry. I've formerly worked for Ford Motor Credit, and responsibilities are managing assets, everything that goes with that, Sarbanes-Oxley, risk management.
Okay.
Got consumer and commercial lending experience, both from an underwriting experience as well as from a risk management standpoint. So that's a little bit about what I've been doing for the last 20 years.
So, coming to the PinkSlipMixer, are you looking at branding yourself in another industry, or if you had a choice to get into another industry, what would that be?
Well, that's a good question. I think my skills transfer into a lot of different industries. People who do credit or commercial underwriting for both consumer or commercial, I think I have a skill set that's transferable for that. If somebody manages assets, be it vehicle inventory, equipment, whatever that is, I have experience managing a portfolio of those assets. Last job I had up to almost $1 billion worth of assets that I was managing. So
okay.
And I had approval authority to obligate the company for $15 million in debt financing. So I think there's a lot of skills. The banks. I don't have personal mortgage experience, but
you can fit well in manufacturing too.
I could maybe. I mean, it all depends if there's credit lending going on at that particular company.
Well, sometimes manufacturing companies are involved with getting loans for equipment.
Right. And I have experience with that.
Field.
I do have experience with that. What we did primarily lending on was businesses would get vehicles, but they would get vehicles that were upfitted, like dump trucks and that sort of stuff like that. So I've got about 5 years of commercial underwriting experience with that type of vehicle mix or asset mix, I should say.
Right. So who would be your ideal company to work for?
That's a great question.
Or maybe your top three.
I think the banks. So J.P. Morgan Chase would be a good opportunity. Wells Fargo here would probably be a good opportunity. Those are probably my top two. I would think that Southwest Gas would have some opportunities. Nevada Energy, depending on certain areas of that particular business, there would be opportunities. So those are some of the companies I've been looking at.
Okay, very good. So if somebody wanted to contact you, what's your email address or telephone number?
My email address is mstienek, it's MSTIENEK at yahoo.com. So it's mstienek at yahoo.com. Or they can contact me on my cell phone, which is 702-427-8185.
Very good. Well, so how do you think the crowd's going?
I think it's good. I mean, it's a little light tonight, but I'm glad that you guys are putting this on. And any event that gets people out here and you can meet people, I think is a positive thing.
And with Channel 13 and Channel 5 being here, we'll get ourselves out, get more people knowing about us, and get more recruiters there for certain.
Absolutely, and that would be nice, but it's always great to have an event like this. We start small, we're going to get bigger. It's just great to get it out here and meet everybody.
So our next event is April 7th. The first Wednesday of every month.
Yep.
And I'm sure to have more recruiters there at that event.
Awesome.
Great meeting you, Mark.
Phil, great meeting you.
And we'll see you around.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Take care. Bye-bye.